Hello my viewers and my subscribers, welcome to my channel Masakan Ibu Dewi. Today, I am going to share my new recipe with you all. My recipe for today is meatball on skewers. Let's go and check it out. 1 kg of meatballs, 2 green capsicums, 2 red capsicums, 2 yellow capsicums, tomato cherries, and Holland onion. Firstly, stir fry the onion and garlic. Then we put the meatballs. And add in mixed sauce like barbecue sauce, tomato sauce, chili sauce, and cayenne perrin sauce. We mix it well. We cook in medium flame until the sauce gets thick. Once the meatball covered with sauce, we can turn off the flame. Heat up the grill to medium-high. Thread the meatball and the capsicum alternately onto skewers. Place the meatball skewers on the grill and put some barbecue sauce. Every time we turn the meatball, we have to put the sauce on the meatball, so it tastes good. We grill it for 5 to 7 minutes. Lastly, I grill the corn and serve together with the meatball. Okay my viewers, my meatball on skewers are ready to be served. Thank you for watching my video. Hope you will like to try this recipe at home. Please don't forget to subscribe if you are new to my channel, and share my video to all your friends and your family members. It will be very helpful for my channel to grow. See you in my next video. Stay healthy and bye bye.